Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. One thing that I have gotten requests on for my macrame videos is to show how I set up my little macrame studio. So in other words, where and how do I set up my macrame ropes when I make projects and when I make my videos. So I wanted to show you guys my little system because I believe it's probably a little unique from most people. It's 100% free and kind of a DIY setup. So hopefully this will inspire you guys if you're afraid to set up your own little space because you think it will cost a lot of money or that you need to go out and buy certain things. I'm just going to show you my system and show you that you don't need to go out and buy expensive things unless of course you want to, because I'm sure it would make it a little easier and you'll see why, but I just thought this would be a little fun. So let's just get right into it and let me show you my little system. Princess is here to reveal my macrame system. She is playing with my ropes. Blah 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 da. Ta-da! This is just my fireplace. That is what I use as my little macrame studio. It's perfect for me because it was already in my house, so I didn't have to spend any money, and it already had those lovely hooks up top. And yeah, it works great. I can hang my projects. There's plenty of room for my ropes to hang straight down. It is not kitty proof though. That is a downside. But yeah, so I have it set up right now because I just filmed a tutorial on the cross knot. And this is usually what I use when I am learning new knots or I'm teaching new knots. I just use a yardstick that I had in my house for some reason, and it's free. I just tied some strings around it and hung them up on my fireplace, and it works. I didn't have to go and buy a dowel rod or go find a nice stick in my yard or anything. I just use this. It's not very glamorous, but it works just fine, I think. And when I'm tying my projects, I just usually remove that, and then I use these hooks to secure whatever it is I'm working on, and that's really all there is to it. It's not fancy, it's not special, it's just my house. The downside to this though is it is in my family room, so if other people want to be in here watching TV or something, I can't really film a video, but it's fine if I'm just making a project for myself because I don't need to talk in those videos. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys this to show that you can hang your macrame projects on anything in your house, that there are hooks and that you have space. You don't need to go buy anything if you want to start making macrame. Just hang it off a hook and you're fine. You can even put these kind of hooks on just an empty wall if you have a bare wall that you don't mind putting hooks in, and that would work too. So sometimes DIYing is a great way to do macrame. That made no sense, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Alright, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you found my little macrame setup inspiring in some way. And thank you so much for watching. Bye! Say goodbye, Princess.